May their souls find eternal rest. And now in some other news, the High Court in Accra has instructed the Office of the Special Prosecutor, OSP, to provide investigation, caution and charge statements taken from Cecelia Dapaah and her husband to Patience Butchie, the house help, who is the first accused in the ongoing criminal trial concerning the alleged theft of significant sums from the former sanitation minister's residence. This ruling follows an application by Butchie for access to the investigation caution statements, charge statements and recordings of interviews conducted with Dapaah and her husband during the OSP's investigations. ChannelOne News' Hansen Ajiman reports.
Patience Butchie's lawyers had initially sought these documents from the OSP under the Right to Information RTI law. However, the OSP declined the request, citing exemptions under the RTI Act. In response, Butchie's legal team filed a motion with the High Court to compel the OSP to comply. The OSP opposed this motion, arguing that the court's jurisdiction had not been properly invoked and that the application was made prematurely. In addressing these objections, Justice Marie-Louise Simmons explained that the court possesses inherent powers to grant such requests. She emphasized that the application was valid under Article 19(2)(e) and (g) of the 1992 Constitution. Justice Simmons reiterated the necessity of providing the accused with all relevant documents to support their defense. The judge acknowledged that the investigations initiated by the OSP were in fact triggered by the first accused's arrest and arraignment. Consequently, she ordered the OSP to provide Butchie with the investigation and caution statements of Cecelia Dapaah and her husband. However, she denied the request for recordings and transcripts of their interrogations. The OSP has been instructed to fulfill the court's order within a week of being served. One of Butchie's lawyers addressed the media following the proceedings.
It's a perfect ruling. The ruling is a very perfect one and very intellectual one as well. And the judge actually took her time to peruse the law and address every single issue. And as far as I'm concerned, she has given us a precedent when it comes to requesting information from the special prosecutor.
Following the ruling of the court, Patience Butchie will now cross-examine the husband of Cecelia Dapaah, who is the first prosecution witness for this case. The second prosecution witness, we are told, would be Cecelia Dapaah herself. The judge believes that these documents, that's the investigation caution statement as well as the charge statement, will aid the accused person in her defense. Reported for ChannelOne News, Hansen Ajiman.